Hi, my name is Zain. I am a French teacher, and in this video, I am going to translate this French news into English. Okay, the name of the website is France24.com, and the date of the news is 21st October 2021. Okay, let's start. Etat Suni, it means United States. Etat means state, Uni means United. Donald Trump lancera son réseau social Truth Social début 2022. It means Donald Trump will launch his social network Truth Social starting 2022. Lancera means will launch, son means his, réseau means network. Okay, debut means starting. L'ancien président américain Donald Trump. It means the former American president Donald Trump. L'ancien means the former. Okay. A annoncé mercredi. It means has announced on Wednesday. A means has. Annoncé means announced. Mercredi means on Wednesday. Qu'il allait lancer son réseau social. It means that he is going to launch his social network. Qu'il means that he, allait means was going, lancer means to launch, son means his, réseau means network. Baptise Truth Social means name Truth Social. Baptise is a Christian ceremony, Christian naming ceremony. Okay, so here baptise means name Truth Social. Ou premier trimestre 2022. It means in the first quarter of 2022. Premier means first, trimestre means quarter. Okay, 2022 means 2022. Pour résister face à la tyrannie de géants de technology. It means to resist facing the tyranny of technology giants. Pour don't have a meaning in this sentence. It is used to indicate the reason. Okay, resiste means to resist. Face means facing. Tyranny means tyranny. Okay. Géant the technology means technology giants. Qui l'ont exclu de le platform. It means which have excluded him on their platform. Okay, in French, object pronoun is written between subject and verb. That is why L is written between qui and on. Okay, qui means that, on means have. uh, Qui l'on exclude means excluded. Qui l'on exclude means that have excluded him. Okay, him is an object pronoun. Luh means there. Platform platform means platform. Okay, sorry. Yeah. Bani a janvier the Twitter, Facebook, a YouTube. It means banned in January from Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube. Bani means banned. Janvier means January. Donald Trump a décidé de riposter en créant son propre réseau social. Okay. It means Donald Trump have decided to retaliate by creating his own social network. Riposte means to retaliate, to fight. A means have. Decide means to decide. Créant means creating. It's a present participle. Son means his. Propre means own. Okay. Il a annoncé mercredi 20 octobre. It means he have announced on Wednesday 20th October. Okay, il means he, a means have, annoncer means announced. Le lancement des trucs social ou premier trimestre 2022. It means the launch of Truth Social in the first quarter of 2022. Lancement means launch. Truth Social is the name of his social network. Okay, ou premier means in the first, trimestre means quarter, do mil do means 2022. Il sera d'abord accessible en version bêta sur invitation de November 2022. Now here 2021 is wrong, it is 2022. Okay, it is written wrong. It means it will be to access first accessible in beta version by invitation on November 2022. Il means it, sera means will be, dabo means first, accessible means accessible. Okay, un version beta means in beta version, sur means by or on, invitation means invitation, November means November, 2022 means 2022. Précise en communique qui indique que l'application est déjà disponible en précommande sur l'App Store. It means specify in a press release which indicate that the application is already available in pre-order on the App Store. Okay, precise means specify, means communique means press release, qui means that, indique means indicate, deja means already, disponible means available, precommande means pre-order or pre-command. Par se bien, par se bien means in this way. Okay, l'ancien président vous. It means the former president want. Résister vous means want. Résister face à la tyrannie de géants de technology. Want to resist facing the tyranny of the technology giants. Qui ont means which have utilisé le pouvoir unilatéral pour réduire ou silence la voix dissidente des Amériques. It means which have utilized the unilateral power to reduce to silence the dissenting voice in America. Okay, utiliser means utilize. Pouvoir, lu means there. Pouvoir means power. Unilateral means unilateral. Okay. Pour don't have a meaning in the sentence. It is used to indicate the reason. Réduire means to reduce. Ou silence means to silence. Voix, la voix means the voice. Dissidente means descending. Okay, dissenting, not descending, dissenting. DISSENTING, dissenting. Amerique, in America. Declare till dans le communique. It means it declare in the press release. Je suis enthousiaste à l'idée de partager mes pensées sur Truth Social et de reprendre le combat contre le Big Tech. It means I am enthusiastic at the idea to share my thought on Truth Social and to retaliate the fight against the big technologies. Okay, je suis means I am. Enthusiast means enthusiast. Idea means idea. Partage means to share. मैं penser means my thought. Okay, reprendre means to retaliate, to fight. Combat, to retaliate, yes, to give back. Combat means fight. Contre means against. Okay. Nous vivons dans son monde où nous vivons dans un monde. It means we live in the world. Vivons means live. Nous means we. Da means in. Un means a. Monde means world. Où le Taliban ont une énorme présence sur Twitter. It means where the Taliban have an enormous presence on Twitter. Où means where. Le Taliban means the Taliban. En means have. Un means a. Énorme means enormous. Présence means presence. Sur Twitter means on Twitter. Okay. Alors que votre président américain préféré a été réduit au silence. So that your preferred American president have been reduced to silence. Okay, alors means so, que means that, votre means your, president, président means president, American means American, préféré means preferred, a means have, été means been, réduit means reduced, ou silence means to silence. C'est unacceptable. C'est unacceptable. It means it is unacceptable. Poursuit Donald Trump means continue Donald Trump. Poursuit means continue. Un annoncé qui a déjà été salué dans un communiqué par Jason Miller. It means a announcement which have already been greeted in the press release by Jason Miller. Okay. Un annoncé means a announcement. Deja means already. Été means been. Salué means greeted. Okay, dans un communiqué means in the press release. Jason Miller is the name of a person. Un ancien conseiller de Donald Trump. It means a former counselor of Donald Trump. Okay. Désormais patron d'un autre réseau social conservateur baptisé Getter. It means who is still a boss of another conservative social network named Getter. Désormais means henceforth or still or from now on or from that day. Okay, from that day, from that time. Patron means boss. Dun the u means one. Utra means another. Rezu means network. So conservator means conservative, small. Baptize means here means name. Ketre is the name of his social network. Maintenant Facebook et Twitter perdront encore plus de parts de marché. It means now Facebook and Twitter will lose even more parts in the market. Okay, maintenant means now. Perdront means will lose. Encore plus means even more. Encore means again, yet, even, like that. Par the marche means market, parts of the market. A blog brièvement lancé. It means a blog briefly launched. Brièvement means briefly, lancé means launched. Le millier des républicains avait été évincé de Facebook, Twitter et YouTube. It means the billionaire Republican have been ousted or evicted from Facebook, Twitter and YouTube. Après le violent assaut mené contre le Capitole par ce partisan. It means after the violent assault led against the Capitol by his supporters. Okay, après means after, le violent means the violent, assaut means assault, mené means led, led, contre means against, la Capitole is the name of a building, par ce partisan means by his supporters. Lors de la cérémonie de certification de la victoire du démocrate Joe Biden. Okay, it means during the certification ceremony of the victory of Democrat Joe Biden. Lors means during. Ceremony means ceremony. Okay, victoire means victory. À l'élection présidentielle le 6 janvier means at the presidential election on 6 January. Okay, Twitter avait alors exclu Donald Trump. It means Twitter have since excluded Donald Trump. Indéfiniment à cause du risque de nouvelles incitations à la violence. It means indefinitely due to risk of new incitations of the violence. Indefiniment means indefinitely. À cause du means due to or because. Risk means risk. Nouvelle means new. Incitation means inciting. Okay. Incitation means inciting. Violence means violence. Le coupon de ce prêt de 89 millions d'abonnés. Okay, it means the cutting of its near to 89 million supporters. Coupon means cutting. It's a present participle. Près means close or near. 89 means 89. Abonné means supporters or subscribers. Sorry, abonné means subscribers. Online you have subscribers. L'ostracisation soudaine du chef de l'État. It means the sudden banning or the sudden eviction, boycott of the head of the state. L'ostracisation means the boycott or the banning. Soudain means sudden. Chef means head. État means state. Avait largement été qualifié de censure. It means had largely been qualified as censored. Avait means had, largement means largely, été means been, qualifié means qualified, censure means censored or censorship. Par le républicain est globalement salué par le élu démocrate. It means by the Republican and globally greeted by the elected Democrats. Okay, par le means by the, globalement means globally, saluer means greeted, élu means elected. Okay, est la société est la société civile américaine. It means and the civil American society. Mais en Europe, elle avait suscité de critiques de association et de dirigeants. It means but in Europe it had aroused the criticism of associations and the leaders. Okay, may means but, L means it, ave means had, suscite means aroused. Okay, critics means criticism. Dirigeant means the leaders. Dans la chancelier allemande Angela Merkel, of which the chancellor of the German chancellor Angela Merkel. Dans means of which. La chancelier means the chancellor. Allemande means German. Okay, German is Allemande. Germany is called as Allemande. Angela Merkel is the name. Acquit du pouvoir de société technologique sur la liberté d'expression. It means worried of the power of the technological society power of on the freedom of expression. Acque means worried, pouvoir means power. Okay, liberté means freedom. Furieux de ne plus avoir access à son porte-voix favori. It means furious of not to have more access to his favorite megaphone. Okay, furieux means furious. The ne plus means of not more. Avoir means to have. The ne plus avoir means of not to have more. Excess means excess. À son means at his. Porte-voix means megaphone. Favori means favorite. Où il tweetait quotidiennement. It means where he tweeted daily. Où means where. Il means he. Tweeté means tweeted. Quotidiennement means daily. Et avait annoncé nombre de grandes décisions présidentielles ainsi que de limogeage tonitruant. It means and had announced number of grand presidential decisions as well as the thunderous dismissals. Okay, ave means had, annoncé means announced, nombre means number, grande means big, décision means decisions, présidentiel means presidential, ainsi que means as well as, the limogeage means dismissals, and tonitruant means thunderous. Okay, l'ex président t'avait promis la création de réseau social. The ex-president had promised to create a social network. Okay. Il avait brièvement lancé en mai un blog. He had briefly launched a blog in May. Okay. Il avait means he had, brièvement means briefly, lancé means launched, May means in May, month of May, April, May, June, month of May. A block means a block. Qui n'était en fait qu'un onglet sur son site. It means which was in fact only a tab on his site. Qui means which. N'était enfant means in fact. N'était qu'un means was only. Onglet means a tab, a button. Sur son site means on his site. Où étaient rassemblés ses communiqués, where his press release had resembled or gathered. Où means where, étaient rassemblés means had gathered or had reassembled. Ses communique means his press release. Avant d'y mettre un terme sous le moquerie d'observateurs convaincus qu'il s'agissait du réseau social promise. Okay, had to put an end there under the mockery of convinced observators that he proceed with promise, social network promise. Okay, avant means had, mettre means to put, un terme means an end, dy d means on there or on it, sous le means under the, moquerie means mockery, 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 d'observateur means observators, convaincu means convinced, convince, not convinced, convince, kill means that he, sagise means proceed, proceeded, proceed. Du réseau social promise means social network promise. Okay. Une opération financière, a financial operation. Financier means financial. L'ancien président voit grand avec la plateforme Truth Social. It means the ancient president see big with the Truth Social platform. Okay, voir means to see, grand means big. Okay, elle appartiendra au groupe nouvellement créé Trump Media e-Technology. Okay, it will provide newly created Trump Media and Technology Group. Okay, appartiendra means to will provide. A new nouvellement means newly, créé means created. Trump Media and Technology Group. Une structure qui fournira également un service de vidéo à la demande. It means a structure which will provide equally a video service on demand. Okay, fournira means will provide, également means equally. The podcast non-vogue précise la communique. It means and non-vogue podcast specified by the in the press release. Okay, non-vogue means non-vogue is a term which means that if your thinking is different, if your thought is different, that doesn't mean you are my enemy or you are wrong. Okay. Le groupe Trump Media and Technology va fusionner avec Digital World Acquisition Corporation. It means the Trump Media and Technology Group is going to fusion with Digital World Acquisition Corporation. Okay, va means is going, fusionner means to merge or to fusion. Avant d'être coté, précise le communiqué. It means in order to be listed. Specify in the press release. Specify the press release. Sorry, avant means in order. Sorry. D'être means to be. Coté means listed. Okay. Précise means specify. Communiqué means press release. L'entreprise DWAC est un SPAC. It means the enterprise is a special purpose acquisition company. A means is. Une société sans activité commerciale. It means a society without commercial activity. Sans means without. Et dans les bouts est the lever, the fond et entrant sur une place boursière. Okay. And by which they raise funds to enter in stock market. Dans les bouts means by which. Dans les bouts means the idea, the process, the reason. Okay. Lever means to raise. Fond means fund. Entro means entering. Boursier means stock market. Puis de fusionner avec une société cible qui souhaite se faire coter. Means then the merger. Fusionner means the company which is merged, the merged company. The people who are merged or the organization who are merged. Fusionner means to merge. Okay, to merge. Then the company will merge with the target society which wish to be listed. Okay, so het means to wish. Faire coter means to be listed. Okay. Le nouveau groupe de Donald Trump en l'occurrence. It means the new group Donald Trump on the occurrence. DWAC est coté à l'indice Nasdaq. It means DWAC is listed in Nasdaq index. Okay. Et toujours selon le communique and always according to the press release. Toujours means always. Selon means according. Okay. Communiqué means press release. Le nouveau groupe de Donald Trump serait ainsi valorisé à 875 millions de dollars. It means the new group of Donald Trump is going to be valued at $875 million, millions of dollars. Okay. Sire means will be. Okay. Ainsi means will be. Then ainsi means then. Valued will be so valued. Ainsi means in order to. Okay. So I finish my video here. Kindly let me know how did you like my video. Please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon. Your comments and feedbacks are important for me, so kindly give your honest comments and feedbacks. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care.